How to make custom parts in Fritzing. Here are 3 commonly used methods for you. Taking practical use as an example, from simple to complex. Font preparation and sample SVG files. Fontsantemplates.zip can be downloaded from Learning at Fritzing website. View the content of the compressed file, which has each SVG file template. Also includes Droid Sans and OCRA font, which is the font specified by Fritzing. If it is custom parts, be sure to install the specified font /. Find ready-made parts and import. You can search for the part name on the internet and add the file extension of the part filename.fcpz. After downloading, you can click the right mouse button in My Parts in the Parts to import. Then find the ams1117.fcpz file you just downloaded and import it. You can check whether the schematic and PCB labels are correct. Fritzing parts directory and SVG file modification of ready-made parts. Parts imported by the user are saved files in documents/Fritzing/parts. /user directory is main file for storing custom parts.fcp. Under /svg/user is the directory where the 4 graphic files of the part are saved. They are breadboard, icon, PCB, schematic. You can modify the appearance of parts according to your needs. For example, find the imported ams1117_.svg on breadboard. Use Inkscape to change to a clearer text mark. Of course, you can also modify the other 3 SVG graphics files. Main file settings for custom parts. Open ams1117_.fcp under Documents /Fritzing/parts/user. The XML content of this file can be edited directly. For example, modify the text of label to modify the label displayed by the part on the PCB. Modify the text of title to modify the title of the part displayed on breadboard. Modify the pins under buses to set the internally connected pins. Create a new custom part from an existing part. Select the part to edit in the Parts window. We choose LM1117 with similar pins. Right-click on the mouse and select Edit Part, New Part Editor. Draw.svg diagrams of icon, breadboard, schematic, and PCB in advance. It can be modified from the SVG diagram of AMS1117 and retain the original ID. Then, from the main menu file, load image from view. Load the SVG images to be updated separately. And check whether the selection graphics of the pins are correct. Finally, modify the name, electrical, package information, etc. of the metadata. Save as a new part from the main menu file, save as new part. The newly created element can then be found in Mine. Pull out and check in breadboard, schematic, PCB. Is it right or not? See you next time.